Well, so far, we're having a wonderful trip, a work vacation. You're looking over, I guess, Crooked River Ranch, Highway 97's over there. You got Madras, yeah, Jefferson over there. But look at all those mountains. Aren't they beautiful? Awesome. Very awesome. And the vet's place is right down that road, way down there. Now you're looking kind of right towards Ben and Redmond. Very awesome viewpoint right up here. Very awesome. Off of one of the trails here. Got the canal down there. I don't know what the canal's name, but it's actually, I think it's man-made. Crooked River Gorge is just over there. But totally freaking awesome. Having a great time. Wow, there's a house right over there on that cliff. Huh. Anyways, still liking our mini work vacation. Keep wandering. You never know what you're going to find. Like I just found this nice lookout overlooking the Sisters and Bachelor and Black Butte, Mount Washington, right there. Have a good one, peoples.